The whole back end's missing.
Oh wow.
I'm hitting with the plow. The plastic piece of it is gone.
I feel like jumping face first into the snow.
Yes, do it.
We should get a bunch of girls and just have like a really big gangbang right now.
Okay.
Brandon, Tifo, go away.
Oh. Hey, it's not my house.
Why can't Brandon stay? He's my husband.
You're lucky they come out.
What came out? What?
What didn't come in? Oh, you bitch.
I didn't do anything.
Frosty.
Okay, truce.
I don't truce people. I'm not gonna kill you, Nathan, because you're a native.
Woo! Hey, so am I.
I'm part. By my grandma's side.
Yeah, part.
Part. Nathan's like Métis. I love Métis kids.
He's Asian. What are you talking about?
Nathan, I'm gonna teabag you. Someone hold the tree.
Nice.
Yeah, I trust Banana. Now hold this.
My hands are cold. What are you doing?
You can't rape the willing.
Are you sure about that? I can give a demonstration with Tifo right now.
He's willing.
I know I can demonstrate as possible. I'm pulling up my pants and it looks like just someone came on me. Oh, Tifo!
And it looks like someone came on me. Oh.
That wasn't my fault this time.
Okay, which way are we going?
Banana, where's your head?
Straight up.
Straight.
Okay.
He's going straight.
Are you going home or are you coming in freaking bananas with us?
Home. No, you should come to my house. Home.
Why no? You cut the bananas.
Home.
But we're gonna have like a really big gangbang.
Home.
Fuck you then.
Apparently he doesn't want to.
Home.
I'm stripping! Why would you look back here? I have $1 left. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Hey Nathan, what do I get for $1?
You can get Sam 4 times.
What if it's a shot?
You can get Sam 4 times.
No. Half time. 5 cents, it's free. Me and Brad came up with the theory that if there's a like a zombie apocalypse,
Yeah.
Sam would be the reason for that.
I think I'd be the reason more likely.
No, because she was like, Wah! I don't know what happened.
We just came on you.
I just don't, seriously, I don't know what just happened. Look at the tattoo here. I was
More like rape in your case.
I was gonna go home and sleep.
I saw you pull down your pants.
Notice how he doesn't deny it?
No.
Tifo is my bitch still.
Go home.
Which one?
Go home.
Okay. I don't think I can.
Now.
I didn't do it. You should be carrying this for me.
You're looking back.
I don't want my camera bag away. Where's my iPod?
Yeah, you leave the camera out.
Well, you're videotaping, are you?
Yeah, I think.
Yep.
It's better than on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
Hold your breath.
And I go. Take
I was like
this.
freaking ninja.
I don't care if you like bring all that shit in the snow, by the way.
I was like freaking ninja. I was like, ah!
Feel like a fucking fucking chicken when you said that.
Wasn't that awesome? What? Take it. Banana, what do you have to say? Wow.
Something's poking me,
You're sitting on his chest.
and my ass is wet. Don't look at it!
What's up?
I have $1 in a cigarette case.
Quit watching her strip.
Why not? Oh my god, if this doesn't work, I'm fucked. Yes.
La 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 la.
You know what? I'm watching for a gray Toyota or a blue
Somebody push you.
or a gray transport truck.
Somebody push someone. Tivo, go get stand in front of that truck.
No! I want to live for 5 more months. Oh wait, you say I get my G1.
And then I'll kill you. And I was like, what the fuck?
Why?
Because you won't be able to use it when you're not even going to heaven.
Da la la la.
Stop singing, Nathan!
Teleporting, teleporting, teleporting. Teleporting branding.
Help me.
Now teabag.
I did! But I did!
Yes, we're all retards. We already know that.
I had coffee, so I'm not technically retarded.
I had coffee too. You're still retarded. How does the snow feel?
Cold!
Cold and wet. I'd just like to say to all the people that are in Texas and all that, this is what we have to put up with every day.
It's a nice hot summer today, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And notice how we don't live in igloos. And do you see a polar bear anywhere?
Right there.
Oh.
Alright, give me a piggyback.
Why?
Because I want one. Wait. I don't want your white stuff on me. Alright, move the middle.
Butt rape.
He likes it!
Man down. Mel, how's that fucking ride?
Oh, he liked it. Something went in, but it wasn't something in me.
Do that accent again.
No, you made me wet.
In her pants.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's fucking dripping.
I'd just like to say I don't know these people. I just stole her camera and just started filming.
Yeah, I randomly asked this guy on the street to videotape us.
No, technically I was on the corner.
I know, that's where you were.
Okay, now we turn right. That way.
I don't know my left and right. Not know.
Car.
Hi!
Car.
Hey, my fucking... My ass is still wet, don't even.
What?
I saw that.
No, you didn't. But that's still, huh? What do you have to say for yourself?
Fuck
What position? Turn left. Didn't work. This is what happens when you mix a kid in a car.
In a car.
You get a pancake. Mel!
Yeah?
Bend over. Woo! People of YouTube, you're welcome.
They've seen me strip before, so that's
What? Hey, so what? Mel, what's your
that's RedTube, not YouTube.
what's your channel?
okay. Nish 400. MIZZNISH400.
I'm filming the van. Get out of the way. Oh,
And laugh at the fucking alarm.
go strip on the pole. It's up there.
Hey, yeah, there's a pool up there. Go have fun.
Now turn around.
I fucking hate you, Nish.
I ain't bending over. That's him.
Come on, you night.
What? Tifo.
He likes it like that, just like Banana wants my foot up his ass.
Oh yeah. So how's the roofies?
Oh, I don't know actually. I'm on roofies. So I can't tell you. Banana can tell you.
Oh, go ask Johnny.
But you guys like gangbanged me before you did.
Just staring at his ass.